How many of you are wearing flip-flops all the time and have foot problems? Well, here's the reason why. I'm Dr. Lin at Rehab and Revive, and today we're going to talk about the damage of those flip-flops that can happen at your metatarsals right here. And what we want to do is, because the flip-flops have no backing, they create a lot of compression right in this segment, and they reduce the ability for your toes to splay when you put pressure when you want to push off. So what's supposed to happen is this metatarsal break is supposed to be there, and it basically folds and folds in order for you to pivot and push off. So we'll talk about the right exercise that's going to help improve this.
All right, and we're back. Please excuse my ugly looking feet. I'm due for a pedicure after this COVID shutdown. Now, what we want to do is apply the pressure into a couple spots, either at the beginning of the metatarsal or at the end of the metatarsal. Whatever you choose, just stay consistent, and then you could do both or the other or just one. What you want to do is you want to do these heel ups and then start pumping your ankle. It's going to feel like a lot of pain. It's burning sometimes and just feels like you might break your foot, but believe it or not, your foot's pretty sturdy, and just the weight of your heel isn't going to do anything. So try this, and you want to keep pumping different areas. If you're going to go below, you really can then hit this spot and really try to force it to the floor. So there'll be a couple arrows of my heel going towards the floor, and that's the goal, is I'm just pressing towards the floor and then letting my heel on the right leg do the rest.
Well, how many of you found it painful to do this exercise? Well, make sure this is the right exercise for you. A lot of the patients that I don't have do this exercise are the people that are osteoporotic, possible stress fractures, so check with your professional. But you can see the importance of getting your foot to roll over, and especially those with plantar fasciitis or restricted arches. This is going to help you improve and increase power and increase your stride, help your run, and all that fun stuff. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe below. Leave a couple of these guys. Any comments? I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.